Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Blue Sona Xlr creators mic. So as you can see here, I've already removed the box I came in. I purchased it on Amazon. Throw that away. So I purchased this on Amazon and sorry, I just need to quickly grab my knife. The trusty old knife that I have. Very nice. Anyways, the Blue Sona for creators. Active dynamic XLR broadcast microphone with clear amp actives. Oh, sorry, that's a different language, lol. I was I was thinking, like, what's going on? Can I not read anymore? Anyways, clear amp. There's Blue Sound certified XLR input. Showing a quick look on the actual packaging. Looks pretty decent. It's very colourful. There's some other additional stuff here. So superb detail and broadcast presence. Clear amp provides a strong level. No external mic booster required. So designed for creators. Sculpture unique sound. I thought that was a different language as well for some reason. Anyways, very nice. Very nice color. Orange. Now I bought the black version, as you can see here. I'll start unboxing this, but they do provide a orange cover as well, a wind cover. Just give me a sec. There we go. Let's see. It's the first look. I'm actually excited about this mic. Hopefully increases the sound quality. There we go. Very nice. I'm actually recording on a DJI DJI mic. Ooh, I can't even speak. Nor can I read. I cannot speak either. Nice. Let's put the knife away. Let's be safe, shall we? This box, I'll put the box just to the side for now. Or actually, I'll put it down here. Let's frame this correctly. So raise your voice. The Blue Sona. So this is actually competing with the Shure SM7B, which is obviously very legendary and well known. Everybody knows about it. It's the one like that's been used on all podcasts, like with Joe Rogan and stuff like this. This is meant to be on similar level. So see, I'm trying to pull this when you can't. You literally pop it like that. That's very nice. So one, I love the art here. One, you put your mouth next to it, and then okay. Anyways, you're meant to swivel it onto the arm. XLR input. Now, just so you know here, you need 24 volt or 48 volt phantom power to allow this to run. Now, if you are aware, the normal ones, for example, the Shure SM7B, you need a mic booster as well. But in this, there is an actual mic booster built in, so you don't actually need to spend money on that. Normally, that's like another £150 that people normally spend. So what it means by 24/48 volts for the phantom power is you're going to need an interface which gives that. Now, some cameras, they have, for example, the FX3, the mic holder that it comes with allows you to put in 48 volts. So you can connect the mic directly to the camera. This is obviously made for creators, and it's a super cardioided patterned mic, which basically means it solely focuses on one thing. Therefore, it's going to hopefully focus on my voice. As we've already mentioned, there's a XLR input that you can only use on this. So it's XLRs for professionals, basically. Sorry, I thought I'd just quickly grab this. I actually bought XLR cable as well, which I'll show just to show you the quality of that as well. But yeah, so just so you know, regarding the mic booster, the reason that you don't need one is because this actually inside has plus 25 dB, which means you don't basically need a mic boost anymore, which I'm glad that they thought of that. That's basically saving money, isn't it? Anyways, let's have a look on everything that's actually inside the box. So let's start from here. Lol. Recycle, basically. That's basically what it's saying here. Recycle your stuff. This is just the manual, usual stuff. Put that to a side. Oh, okay. So I think this is going to be the orange cover for this. Let's just open it just to double check. Yes, I am correct. It's an orange style cover for the mic. I'm going to pack that away because I don't think I'm ever going to use that. It's too out in your face. I like the color black because it's very subtle. Interesting. What is this? This is the thread. Oh, okay. This thread is to basically allow you to connect this mic to a normal arm, basically a microphone arm. So can you see that there? That's pretty neat. I'm glad that they actually provided this. I didn't actually know that I'm gonna need that. But anyways, let's take this out. Wow, wow, wow. First impressions. Do you know, let me put the box away because seriously, wow. This is very, very heavy. It's much heavier compared to my toner Q1, which is what I'm upgrading from. I don't think I'm ever going to need to upgrade after this, but this is really heavy. Let's unravel the packaging. Very, very nice. I just stayed quiet there because I wanted the ASMR sounds to come out there. As you can see here, that's huge. That's why they've given that other extender here to basically thread it in and then use it with your normal ones. This is the XLR input that I was talking about, and interesting, didn't take off one part here. There we go. So you click down here and then you can take it off. It's magnetic slots there. Hopefully you can see. And here it's saying bass cut and the presence. So the bass cut and presence. It's actually really heavy. I'm really impressed with the quality actually. I didn't expect it to be like that. This as well is magnetic, so you can take it off very smoothly. There we go. And let's have a look at this actual quality of it. It's very, very heavy. As I keep mentioning, I didn't expect it to be this heavy. It seems very, very high quality. Then again, obviously, I did pay quite a lot of money for this. It's actually silly. I didn't expect I'm going to be paying that much for a mic. But yeah, let's see if it closes. Very, very smooth. Very nice. Wow. Okay, let me just connect this thread. I just want to connect that before I conclude this unboxing. I'm gonna have to tear this, ain't I? There we. Oh, I don't need to tear. Okay, interesting. So I think we put it in this way. Or not. Hold on. Let me place this down. That's interesting. Which way do you put it through? Okay, there we go. This should connect to another arm, and obviously I'm going to connect it to my arm, and I'll show you. Well, you guys will see this. I'm connected. Oh, Blue Sound certified. That's what it's saying there. Hopefully you can read that. This is the XLR cable that I purchased to complement the mic. Let me just cut it through here. So I read online that this is apparently the best one for this mic. It's a Mogami cables made in Japan, the most sought after cable in the pro audio industry. To be fair, I can't wait to use this. There we go, there's the pins. And then the other connection. There's a 10-year replacement warranty on this. That's interesting. Okay, so this should be good. Just showing the back of this.
Did you enjoy this video? If you did, pop a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Comment down below if you have anything you want to say to me, or if you want me to make any future videos on whatever you want. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you next time. Take care.